Hi everyone, Kenny here with chapter 718 and 18. We're now in Jitter doing video after audio. Audio is a blast. Video is something I've never really worked on at all, ever. So this is very interesting to me, how I can use this for sure. So I'll walk you through it real quick. So this is our new JetP window. So it's going to display any kind of media, video, whether it's an existing video or live video. So this one is actually going to be a live because it's going to be pulling from my webcam. That's what the JIT DX grab is, and DX is because I'm on Windows, so that's DirectX instead of QT. So what we do is we turn on the toggle, and then we hit open, and that tells the webcam to turn on. Here I am with my bed head, and then they had us build a synthesizer to change colors in it. This is the new thing called Swatch, presets. This is something we did before. I'd have to dig in a little bit. It's about the pitch classes, getting the right pitch classes for the C. But as you see, I click it, it changes. You get a little sound. If I had my MIDI keyboard hooked up, it would, I could just do this from my MIDI keyboard. A new Object 2 line. I don't know if it's new, but it's what's making it gradual changes instead of immediate. It ramps up over 1,000 milliseconds per the book. The line scale, or the JIT scale bias, is what allows us to do the different RGB colors. That's what the RGB biased, and then A bias is opacity. As we click through here, we get different colors, and then this slowly ramps up, so it's gradual, and then it has pick out different presets. Very cool. Lots of cool stuff you can do this, especially live performances with video and projectors and all that kind of cool stuff. So excited to get into that someday. Next thing is our presence detection. So this is actually two patches. They had us build a patch and then put it into the shade detection. So this is a sub patcher. So when we click in, you'll see the inlet 1, JIT 3M. I gotta look this up again, but it's important. And I believe it's just so you could substitute these numbers. I have to relook at the book for that part, but anyway, we had to create a bunch of different ones. And then it gave us some shortcuts on how, so we didn't have to just copy and paste this 16 times within here, so it's not a gigantic looking patch. So that's the purpose of these. And each of these numbers represents a pitch class. So once I start this, each time it hits these parameters, it's going to generate a noise, a pitch class based on these numbers here on the very far right. The JIT scissors, that's obviously new. It's basically just building a table or a matrix, and then we're basically specifying once this ball gets into one of these, it triggers the note. But the cool thing is that there's some other calculations that are done in here, so that it's not just partial images of the ball getting captured to generate a note. It has to be a full picture of the ball. And I think that's it. JIT QT movie, that is just to play the movie. JT RGB2 Luma is to change the colors within this, so that's why it is a grayscale. Alright, thanks so much.